Hello kids, welcome to your drawing class. Today we are going to fill colors in a lot of shapes and figures. So the first figure we have over here is what? Can you guess? Yes, it is an umbrella. Can you color this umbrella as shown in the figure over here? Very good. Moving on to the next figure over here we have is a bird. Can you guess which bird this is? Correct. This is a parrot. Can you color this parrot as shown in the reference over here? Let's color it. Moving on to the next figure, we have a flower over here. This flower is called lotus. Can you color this lotus as shown in this reference over here? Let's color this. Moving on, we have a whale fish over here. So pick out your blue and orange color to fill this as shown in the reference over here. Moving on to the next figure, we have an animal over here. Can you guess which animal this is? Yes, correct. This is a bear. Color the bear as shown in the reference over here. Moving on to the next figure, we have our favorite animal, dog. Who doesn't like dogs, right? So we are going to color this dog as shown in the reference over here. So pick out your crayons and start coloring. Moving on to the next image over here is outline of a ginger. You have to color this outline as shown in the figure over here. And remember, don't go outside the lines. Moving on to the next image that we are going to color is a glider. Color this glider as shown in the reference over here. Moving on to the next figure, over here we have Easter eggs. Do you celebrate Easter in your house? Color these Easter eggs as shown in the figure over there. Moving on to the next figure. What comes after Easter? Christmas. Yes. So over here we have a Santa Claus. Color the Santa Claus with your red crayons as shown in the figure over here. Moving on to the next figure, we have a favorite dish from Thanksgiving, turkey. Color this turkey as shown in the reference over here. Moving on, we have another bird over here. It is called duck. Color this duck as shown in the reference over here. So pick out your yellow color pencils and start coloring. Moving on to the next figure, do you know what we have evolved from? Us humans are evolved from monkeys. So color this monkey as shown in the reference. Moving on to the next figure. Over here we have a bee. Color this bee as shown in the reference over here. Moving on to the next picture. Over here we have is a dinosaur, which we don't have in real, by the way. So color this dinosaur as shown in the reference over here. Moving on to the next figure over here we have is a duck. Color this duck as shown in the reference over here. Moving on to the next figure, we have a fish over here. Color this fish as shown in the figure over there. Moving on to the next image that we are going to color is a vase. A vase contains flowers. Color the vase and the flowers as shown in the reference over there. Moving on to the next image is a vegetable. Can you guess which vegetable is this? Yes, it is a brinjal. We also call it eggplant. Color this brinjal as shown in the reference over here. Moving on, we have a sea animal over here. It is an octopus. Color the octopus as shown in the reference over here. Moving on to the next figure that we are going to color is a locker. Color this locker as shown in the reference over here. Moving on to the next picture. Over here we have a glass. Color this glass as shown in the reference over here. Let's move on to the next picture. Over here we have another animal. Can you guess the name of this animal? Yes, it is a tortoise. Color this tortoise as shown in the reference over here. I hope you enjoyed this coloring session with me and keep coloring different figures that you like. Thank you.